Hey, I'm Adriana and I'm, and today I'm going to talk about how to avoid scams as you build your modeling and/or acting career. Now, the first scam that I'm going to talk about is fake representation. Now, what do I mean by fake representation? I mean fake talent agents and/or managers who are not accredited. Now, how managers and talent agents work, they are people that you hire in order to not only give you advice on your career, but also to get you auditions that you cannot normally submit for yourself. Now, here is the one golden rule that will save you from any scam talent agent or manager. They should only be getting paid when you do. So how they work in the industry is that a talent agent or manager gets a percentage of the amount of money that you make from a job once you've started working with them. Now, this is typical industry standard. If they ask you for money up front, they are a scam and just turn around and walk out that door because they are not there to help you. They're there to take advantage of you. Another way that some agents or managers scam their clients is by saying that you need to take these classes that we offer or these headshots that we offer. Now, as an aspiring model or actor, it is important to have training and to have headshots or a comp card if you're a model. However, you should be not doing those with your manager or agent. It is perfectly fine and great if your manager or agent recommends some really well-known specialized headshot photographers or training. However, if they're offering them from their own business, that is a huge red flag because they should only be getting paid when you book. So some easy ways to avoid talent agent scams or manager scams is number one, do a Google search. Just type in their name and write the word scam next to it and see what comes up. Sometimes you'll be surprised by just a whole list of like, oh, this is definitely a scam. Now, another way to check is using IMDb Pro. Now, you might have to sign up with them, which if you're an actor, I totally recommend because it is a great resource. When it comes to researching talent agents and managers, any accredited company would be on this list, and you can see all the information about them as well as all of their clients. Another great resource, especially if you're out in Los Angeles or New York, is the Samuel French Actor's Guide to Agents. There's also one, I believe, for managers as well. These books come out every season. They're constantly updated with a list of accredited agents and managers that you can submit yourself for. They have their mailing information. It's a great resource. Now, the second scam that I'm going to talk about is showcases. Though, let me start off by saying, not all showcases are scams. In fact, if you can find a free showcase within your school, absolutely do that. However, they get into scam territory when they start asking you for money, especially upwards of $1,000. Now, I'll give you a quick example from my own personal history, is that I heard a radio ad, there are also TV ads and internet ads for this too, about coming out to be discovered by, CW, ABC, and Disney top agents and managers. Now, I went to this conference where I listened to the spiel of the people hosting, and then they've selected a few of us that they invited to come to a showcase that cost a couple $1,000s. Now, maybe some people have had success with this. At the end of the day, you don't need to spend $1,000 or anywhere near that in order to get a reputable, well-known talent agent or manager. So you definitely want to avoid anyone that is offering a showcase for that amount of money. That being said, there's also other showcases out there for agents and managers or casting directors for like $100. These you want to do your research with, and you want to look up everyone on the panel and make sure that they're all reputable. You also, when you're researching them, want to see who their clients are. If they have A-list celebrities or actors or models on their roster, you might not want to sign with them. It might seem like a good idea. However, if you don't have the experience like the other people on the roster, it's going to be easy to just kind of be hidden in the background and not really get any opportunities. Whereas if you sign with a smaller boutique agent or manager, you are more along the lines of their talent pool as far as experience, you're going to be getting more opportunities to go out and audition and book. Now, showcases that cost around $100 have value to them. I have definitely been successful in some of those showcases. I've also been not successful in some of those showcases and have lost out on money. So you just kind of got to weigh the pros and cons. If you do decide to do a showcase that costs like $100, also be prepared to do it again. Sometimes it takes more than one shot at a showcase in order to get the results that you want. Sometimes if the agents are just a step above where your talent is, or you don't have the experience that they're looking for, it can just be a waste of money. So it's really important to make sure that if you do a showcase, that you look at their roster and that you are comparable with the level of experience that their other clients have, and to make sure that they're reputable agents and people that you want to sign with. Because otherwise, there are plenty of other ways to find an agent or manager without having to spend any money. So at the end of the day, the bottom line to avoid scams while you build your modeling and acting career is to do your research. There's so many options for different companies to work with and different paths to take. You got to research it online. Also ask your fellow classmates. If you have an agent or manager, ask them for recommendations, and then use your own discernment in order to decide which path is the best for you and what is the best way for you to spend your money on your own career. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos like this.